Chicken feet, often overlooked in Western cuisine, have been a staple in various cultures around the world for centuries. Known by different names such as phoenix claws in Chinese cuisine, pata de pollo in Latin America, and adidas in the Philippines, chicken feet are prized for their unique texture and nutritional benefits. Initially used to minimize waste in agrarian societies, chicken feet have evolved into a sought-after delicacy due to their rich collagen content and potential health benefits. Nutritional profile. Chicken feet are primarily composed of skin, cartilage, tendons, and bones, making them a rich source of collagen, a protein that provides structure and strength to various tissues in the body. A serving of 70 grams of chicken feet provides approximately 150 calories, 14 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, and minimal carbohydrates. They also contain essential vitamins and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, vitamin A, and folate, vitamin B9. Health benefits. Number 1. Improved skin health. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, hydration, and overall appearance. Studies have shown that regular collagen intake can significantly reduce wrinkles and improve skin texture. A 6-month study involving 105 women found that collagen ingestion reduced cellulite and skin waviness. Number 2. Joint health. The collagen in chicken feet may help alleviate joint pain by stimulating tissue regeneration. Research suggests that collagen can reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis and improve joint mobility. Number 3. Bone health. Chicken feet are rich in calcium and phosphorus, which are crucial for maintaining strong bones. Consuming collagen-rich foods like chicken feet can support bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 4. Gut health. Collagen supports the growth and function of cells that make up the intestinal barrier, contributing to improved gut health and digestion. Number 5. Wound healing. Collagen plays a vital role in wound healing by promoting the formation of new tissue. Studies have shown that collagen intake can accelerate the healing process and improve the strength of the healed tissue. Number 6. Heart health. Some studies suggest that collagen may help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and promote heart health by improving blood circulation. Number 7. Immune system support. Chicken feet contain essential nutrients that can support the immune system. The presence of collagen and other proteins helps in the production of antibodies and other immune cells. Number 8. Weight management. Due to their high protein content and low calorie count, chicken feet can be a beneficial addition to a weight management diet. Protein helps in maintaining muscle mass and promotes a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight control. Number 9. Hair and nail health. Collagen is a vital component of hair and nails. Including chicken feet in your diet can provide the necessary collagen to support the growth, strength, and overall health of your hair and nails. Number 10. Sleep improvement. Some studies suggest that collagen may help improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Best ways to prepare chicken feet. Dim sum style. One of the most popular ways to prepare chicken feet is the Chinese dim sum style. The feet are deep fried, then braised in a flavorful sauce made from soy sauce, oyster sauce, and various spices. This method results in tender, flavorful chicken feet that are a favorite in dim sum restaurants. Chicken feet soup. Chicken feet can be simmered with vegetables and spices to make a nutritious broth. This method extracts the collagen and other nutrients, making a rich and flavorful soup. Deep-fried chicken feet. For a crispy treat, chicken feet can be deep-fried after being marinated in a mixture of spices. This method is popular in many Asian and Caribbean cuisines. Braised chicken feet. Braising chicken feet in a mixture of soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and other spices results in a tender and savory dish. This method is often used in Chinese and Filipino cuisines. Spicy chicken feet stir-fry. Chicken feet can be stir-fried with a variety of spices and vegetables to create a spicy and flavorful dish. This method is popular in Korean and Indonesian cuisines. Pickled chicken feet. In some cultures, chicken feet are pickled in a mixture of vinegar, spices, and herbs. This method is common in Mexican and Caribbean cuisines and results in a tangy and flavorful snack. Cultural significance. Chicken feet hold significant cultural importance in various countries around the world. In Chinese cuisine, chicken feet are considered a delicacy and are often served as a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. They are believed to bring about positive energy and luck, especially during special occasions and festivals. In African and Caribbean cultures, chicken feet are considered a delicacy that represents unity and togetherness within communities. The act of consuming chicken feet is believed to bring luck and abundance to those partaking in the meal. Potential side effects: high sodium content. Chicken feet are often prepared with high sodium sauces and seasonings, which can contribute to increased sodium intake. High sodium levels are associated with hypertension and other cardiovascular issues. Trans fats. Deep frying chicken feet can introduce trans fats, which are harmful to heart health. Trans fats can increase inflammation, raise LDL bad cholesterol levels, and lower HDL good cholesterol levels. Choking hazard. The small bones in chicken feet can pose a choking hazard, especially for children and the elderly. It is essential to ensure that the bones are removed or that the feet are cooked until the bones are soft enough to be safely consumed. Bacterial contamination. Like all poultry, chicken feet can harbor harmful bacteria such as Salmonella or Campylobacter. Proper cleaning and thorough cooking are crucial to prevent foodborne illnesses. Chicken feet, with their rich collagen content and unique texture, offer numerous health benefits, particularly for skin, joint, and bone health. However, it is essential to prepare them properly to maximize their benefits and minimize potential risks. Whether enjoyed in a savory dim sum dish or a nutritious broth, chicken feet can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until the next one, stay healthy.